Shannon O'Hay, coming from you from Kennebunk, Maine, and I am here to give you a much needed weekend cocktail. This is one of my favorites. It's called the Aperol Spritz, and I think it's great for us to support our Italian friends. So we've got prosecco, Aperol, which is Italian bitter liqueur, and club soda and fresh orange. Couldn't be easier. So we're just gonna pour in the prosecco. If you can get one of these, what are called splits, they make life easier because you can recap it and save some more for later. A little bit of Aperol, and then a splash of soda. So we've got that beautiful orange color, and then to cap it off, again, showing knife skills right here, you do a nice slice of fresh orange, which again is great for vitamin C because we could all use a little more to our health. And cheers, salud.